In this video, I'll show you how to see your listings on Facebook Marketplace. This is really helpful if you've posted something for sale and you want to check where it's showing up or manage it later. The process is simple, but there are a few different ways to get there depending on your app layout. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you should see the Marketplace icon on the left-hand side. If you don't see it there, no worries. Just tap the menu button on the bottom right corner of the app, and from the menu, you'll find the option for Marketplace. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're inside Marketplace, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Sell. Tap on it, and then at the very top, you'll see Your Listings. When you select this, Facebook will show you all the items you've posted for sale. Each listing will display its status, whether it's active, sold, or even under review if Facebook is still checking it. If you tap on any of your listings, you'll be able to see all the details you posted, including photos, price, and description. From here, you can also edit the listing, mark it as sold, or delete it completely if you no longer want it showing up. This makes it easy to keep track of everything you're selling in one place and update your posts whenever you need to. That's all there is to it. Open Marketplace, tap on Sell, then Your Listings, and you'll instantly see every item you've posted.